Good afternoon. Reluctant homesteader here. I want to share with you what I'm up to today. So this is a public loading area of mulch and compost. So I am going to load up the back of the CRV with all of this goodness to go into the garden beds. We're getting ready to start doing a lot of planting in the next couple weeks, so I want to get the beds prepped. So here we go. Stay tuned. So here we are, about 5 minutes in. Not too shabby. Good little mound forming over here. Gonna keep it going. Okay, so I'm gonna pause here because now I'm gonna go over and get a lot of the really good mulch, or I'm sorry, not mulch, but compost that they have, like the leaf compost. All right, so here's the first load. I'm gonna transport this home since it's my first time doing it and see how well everything travels. I'm just curious if it's gonna be moving all around the back of the car or not, and then I'll be back for my second load. So one of the things that you can't get on a video that I want to share with you about loading up your own chips and compost is the smell, like that fresh earthen smell that it's not decay, it's like the freshness of life. You know, I would look at the leaves and say, well, they're brown and they're dead, but no, there's a whole lot of life happening in the compression and the coming together of the leaves and the chips and the dirt and everything else that was in between all of that. And it's like a communication happening, and the scent of that communication is aliveness and fresh. It's like a pure smell, you know, like when you really stick your face in the earth. You can't replicate that scent in a perfume. You just can't. So I'm driving back with my first load, and I'm just really appreciating where all of the leaves came from and how they've all been gathered together in a large pile. Just having these quiet little conversations that bring forth this aroma of aliveness. Yeah, it's a good life.